Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Can you hear?
Why am I not able to hear you all? Can you all hear me?
Yes.
But then I cannot hear you.
Can you hear me?
What have I done? Okay, my speaker is off.
Ma'am, can you hear now?
Such a big fool. My speaker was off, and that was the only reason that I could not hear you all.
What do we?
Ma'am, can you hear now?
Sorry, beta.
Ma'am, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you all now. Perfect.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I show you something?
Please, beta.
Ma'am, see.
Wow. Every time Hina has something very interesting. Hina, I want to pin you, beta. Wait. Great. Very good, Hina. Very good.
Ma'am, actually, Hina, she can make art for comic books, ma'am.
Yes, actually, like she's very good at it. Both the sisters are very talented, I must say. You, Sarah also, Hina, both of you are good. Do you all fight, Sarah and Hina? Do you both
Yes,
fight?
ma'am.
A lot?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
For what do you fight?
Ma'am, I don't know. I think we were fighting for what we call.
And what about Bilal?
Ma'am,
You have sister, na,
ma'am, we
Bilal?
khicha khichi. Ma'am,
Yes,
we khicha
ma'am.
khichi.
Even you have got
Yes,
a sister,
ma'am.
na? How old is she?
11.
Your sister is 11-year-old, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
And do you fight, Bilal?
Yes,
Fight with
ma'am.
your sister?
Yes.
Hina knows that Bilal fights with his sister. How is that possible?
How does she know?
Yes, how does she know? That is what even I am amazed.
Every sister fights.
Well, that was not my case. Even I have a brother now. So now we are grown up individuals.
I like enjoy, troubling Amina a lot.
Yes.
Making her
Yes.
should come after me.
I know, earlier
I
he
also
was a
do
very
that.
studious boy, but I know now he makes faces, he smiles, he giggles, and he's a very mysterious one. Earlier he used to be very serious and very sort of sorted type of a child, but he's not.
No, whenever she's, whenever she's doing something on the laptop, I'll just come by and I will pull her eyebrows like this.
So
Or
annoying.
she'll just, take out her leg and fat
Hit
karke
you.
she'll hit. Yeah.
What about Hinda? Hinda, you have sister?
I just annoy my sister a lot.
Oh, you
Now
have
what
got a sister? You've got a younger sister, Musa?
Older sister,
Older
Mariam.
sister. Wow, that's nice. Arhan has
I
a younger
sometimes
sister.
called Amina Bushy Bros.
How old is she, Arhan? How old is your sister? 4-year-old. And how old are you? 9. Oh, big brother, I must say. What
Ma'am,
about
I'm
you?
9-year-old Linda.
Okay, you have
Ma'am, I am
siblings,
10
Linda?
years. Ma'am, I am 10 years old.
Ma'am, my birthday is coming.
When is your birthday,
I'm
Beta?
9. Ma'am, May 15, ma'am.
15th of
After
May.
Eid.
Wow, that's great.
Ma'am, my birthday
After
is also
Eid,
coming.
ma'am, my birthday.
After Eid. Yes, we've got Ramzan from 4th of April. When generally do you have your final examination?
It's April Fool.
When does your academic year end, Beta?
Now, what does that mean?
Well, like this year, your third standard. When will this year end? This year for your
2020.
like which
Three?
month? Like will it like generally it's March ending or April ending?
October. No, December.
That even I know, Baba. Your academic year, like the year that you study in. When does that happen? When you have your final examinations, which month do you have your final examinations?
Don't know.
Which month do you have your final examinations?
Ma'am, I think April, January,
April, na?
February,
Yes,
March.
April.
April, ma'am, April. March, April.
Okay, that is when your financial year will end. Oh, sorry, not financial, academic year will end. Okay, so what were we doing? Yesterday we
What is
revised.
in April?
What, beta?
What is in April?
April, your school will end. You will have a final examination and then the school will end for a month. Okay, today
Ma'am,
I will
2
not
months.
be teaching anything new. I just want to revise science with you. Okay, likewise we did yesterday. We'll be doing flowering plants. Anybody who could just see? No. We'll be quickly revising it so that it becomes easy for you to revise once again, okay?
Ma'am, flowering plant is in 3rd chapter, 52 page number.
Flowering plants.
Thank you, beta. Okay, flowering plants, basically, what are the 4 main important parts of a plant? Quickly.
Ma'am, page number.
What,
Page number 53.
What, ma'am?
51. Page number 51. What are, today we will not be learning anything new. We will be only revising our chapters so that it becomes easy for you to appear for the examinations in the coming week. Okay, so what are the 4 important parts of a plant, beta?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, root, flower, leaf, stem.
Flower, root, stem, leaf, and no.
Flower, leaf, stem.
Okay, what does a flower do? What is the main function of flower?
Flower
In
give.
many plants,
Ma'am,
the flower has nice color and nice
smell and flowers, ma'am. Ma'am, you know flowers.
insect.
And flower give us seeds.
Yes, very good, Hina.
Seeds
The
are
main function of
produced.
flower, everybody please listen. The main function of flower is that they give seeds and these seeds will further produce more plants. So what is the function of flower? They give us seeds. What about
Seeds.
stem?
Flower is something known as
Ma'am,
blossom.
stem take the water and give to the another part of the plant.
Very good. What does the
Leaves.
stem does? The stem transports the water to the different parts of the plant. Just like a
Yes.
pipe,
Yes.
even the stem, what happens? It transports it to the different parts of the plant. There is one more function of stem. What is it? Anybody who knows? Apart from supplying water, what else does the
It
stem do?
support the plant.
It
Very
support
good.
the
It
plant.
supports the plant. Very good. Okay. I will just write it so that if you go through the video, you will just get to know quickly. We'll just write flowers. What do they do?
Flowers give us seeds.
Seed.
Produce seeds.
Yes. Stem. What do they do?
Transports water to the
Transports water and support the plant.
Water.
no, the root supports the plant. The root is the foundation.
No. Oh, support the
Plant. Okay. Then what comes? Then comes
And root.
root. What does the root do?
root.
Root is the foundation of a plant.
Yes.
Definitely. But what else apart from the foundation? Quickly.
Ma'am, roots take the water from the ground.
Yes, they absorb water and minerals and provide it to the
From-
different parts of the plant. So they
Plant.
Absorbs water and minerals. What about the leaves? What does the leaf do?
Leaf makes food for the plant called photosynthesis.
Very good. Makes food for the
Plant.
if you can write it down or you can take a shot of it, please take it, because this is somewhere going to come in your question, your fill in the blanks, your true or false. This is there in your paper. Makes food for the plant, and that is called as
Photosynthesis. Synthesis.
Simple.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you noting it down, or can I move further?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you move?
Decimals will come. Noting.
Sorry, beta.
Decimals will come in exam.
Decimal fraction for maths and flowering plants for science.
Only fraction for math.
Yes.
Arey no. Fraction and decimals is the name of the this chapter. Fraction will come.
Okay. If you're
I
done
was
with it,
also
please tell
confused.
me so that I can move ahead.
Done, ma'am.
Done?
No.
Sabiha, are you noting it, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Nida, where are you? I cannot see you, beta. Nida, where are you? Mariam, Johan, Ikra, why are your cameras turned off? Please turn your cameras on. Very good. Are you all taking a note of what has been written? Or you could either
Yeah,
screenshot it
ma'am.
also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Great, Musa. Okay, can I move further now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here we know how to label the different parts of the plant. That is simple enough.
Suppose that
We have done the function of the plant. Okay, then comes this. What are the two main
Ma'am,
important?
screen is too short. Ma'am, your screen is too short.
You
Can
want me to maximize it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it better now?
No, ma'am. See?
Okay, so
No,
what are
it
the
is
two
not.
important things that
Ma'am,
a
can you
plant
share it
requires?
again?
Sorry, beta.
Can you share the screen again?
Okay, I'll just share it once again.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, can you all see it now?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are the two important things that a plant require?
Sunlight and water.
light and water.
Perfect. Why sunlight and water? What happens? Do they play with it? What do they do with sunlight and water?
They get energy
get,
from the sun, and water gives what we call
They basically prepare their food. Why do they need
Yes,
sunlight and
yes.
water? So that they can prepare their
food.
Okay. Okay. Again, we did an experiment where we were supposed to
What's the this page number?
page number 55. What was the experiment over here? What did we do? We took a plant and we watered one plant regularly.
Done this.
Yes, we all have done this. We are doing just a revision
This is a
for the
revision.
exams.
Ma'am, no watering to plants.
Yes, one where we watered the plant and one we did not water the plant. What will
And
happen?
I predict that we will write the plant will die without water.
Yes. So when we did not put water in the plant, what will happen? The plant will dry and it will eventually die. And what about
Yes,
the light?
ma'am.
What will happen if we
Ma'am,
don't
the
have-
plant will be kept in a dark room.
Yes. If we keep a plant in dark room, what will happen, Nida?
The plant will not grow.
The plant will not
happen to the
grow.
plant if it does not get sunlight?
Ma'am, the plant will not grow.
Let Nida answer, beta. Nida, are you listening to me? Sorry. Okay, moving ahead. Again, we just learned what is a fair test. What is a fair test? When the specimens that you use for the experiment should be same. There should be not there should be no big difference in it. Can I say that I can take one plant big and one plant small? Will it be called as a fair test?
No.
Suppose you get a true or false that Aman performs an experiment by taking plants of 2 sizes. Is this a fair test? So what will you write, true or false?
False, ma'am.
False, because it will not be called as a fair test. I would say Bilal performs an experiment with when he gives sunlight to one plant and no sunlight to the other. Does he perform a fair test? What is the answer?
False.
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 Because it will not be a fair test. So what is a fair test? When you give both the things equal importance, equal resources. If you change things, then it will not be called as a fair test. Okay. See, there is a fill in the blanks over here. When we want to investigate something, we need to make a
plan.
Plan. When we want to investigate something, we need to make a
Question.
Okay, investigation often starts with
Question.
questions. Perfect. Our question was, do plants need water to grow? We make suggestions about what we need will happen. This is called making a
Plan.
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 What is a plan? When we make suggestions, it is called as a plan. We will need to make sure that the investigation is a dash test. How?
Fair.
Very good. Fair test. And for this investigation, we made sure the dash were of the
Plan.
the plant was of for the same size. Simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, are you understanding it, beta? Ikra, you understanding it?
We think will happen. This is called making a plan. We need to make sure that the investigation
Okay, this is again an experiment.
Again, I am writing.
You are writing it? Wait.
Make sure the plan one which Draw your plan looking slow down.
If you're done with the writing, please let me know so that I can proceed further.
Done.
Done? Everybody? Can
Yes,
I proceed further, beta? No. Okay. What are the 3 important things that a plant requires to produce food?
Ma'am, sunlight and water and
Sunlight,
and
carbon dioxide, and water.
Very good. So what are the 3 important things? Quickly just writing it over here. I would rather circle it. It would be more simple. What are the 3 important things?
sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water.
Sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. What is the process of preparing food called?
Ma'am, photosynthesis.
I want
Photosynthesis.
somebody to write it on the screen. Spelling of photosynthesis.
Ma'am, I do the spelling of
Linda,
photosynthesis?
can you write it on the
P.
screen, beta?
Ma'am, I'm on the computer, so I couldn't write it.
Okay.
Let me write.
I did that.
See, Madhya is writing.
P-H-O-T-O photo S. Write it. Ma'am, can I write it in the chat?
Yes, you can write in the chat also. Hina, the spelling is right. Photosynthesis, Madhiha wrote it half right and now she's making some mistake. Photosynthesis. T is T, the, T-H-E, the, and then cis. T-H-E,
Sister. S-I-S.
let me just clean this. Up till here, Madhiha, your spelling was right. I will just correct it from your. She erased the entire thing. Madhiha, you write it once again.
All didn't know.
All
How
don't
to
know. Okay,
write
I
on
will
the
just write the
screen.
spelling. Give me a
Ma'am,
minute.
did I spelling? But it's not working. P-H-O-T-O-S-Y-N-T-H-E-S-S-S-Y-S. S-E.
Cis. We can break it photo. Sin. Then we have the, T-H-E, the, and cis, S-I-S, cis. Simple. When we break it into 4 parts, it is simpler for us to remember. How can we break it photo? Sin, the, cis. Okay? Is that clear, beta? Can I move further
Yes.
now?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, see, this is a jumble of words, a very good activity. What is the first word? Just quickly, we'll be just discussing it. What is the first word over here?
Photosynthesis.
Second one is?
Stem.
Third one is?
Water.
Madhiha, what is the fourth one, Madhiha? Please tell
Fourth
me the answer.
one, light.
Light. I want Mariam. What is the fifth one, Mariam?
Fifth one, root.
Very good. Bilal, what is the sixth one? Bilal
Carbon dioxide, ma'am.
and Mohammed Hamza, what is the seventh one? Hamza? What is the answer for this? The jumbled up word? What is
Ma'am,
it?
leave.
Hamza, what is it? It is leaf. Let me just quickly write it so that Hamza, chalo quickly take a note of this, beta. Photosynthesis. Stem. Water. Light has been already done for you. Root. Carbon dioxide. The last one is leaf. Quickly take a note of it, beta. Page number 59. Nida, are you writing it? Nida?
Done.
Very good, Nida.
Done.
Done? Can I move ahead?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, see I have to write like this because my line is not seeing. That's why I write like this.
That's fine, beta. That's absolutely fine. Until and unless you understand it, I have got no issues. You should understand what you've written. Okay? Moving on further. Okay, let me just, okay, what are the root hairs? Anybody who knows what is a root hair?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Ma'am, name.
Hmm?
Ma'am, name.
No, what does a root hair do? How do they look like?
Ma'am, root hair take water like what do you call big roots.
Yes, these are the small hair-like structure which helps in absorbing
Ma'am, it
the.
is like sponge, ma'am. It is like sponge because sponge absorbs water.
Yes, you can say it either ways also. So what do the root hairs? See, everybody, I just want to highlight it. Can you all see this? The water passes through the root hair to a tube in the root, which takes
Ma'am,
the
how
water
did you do this?
by using a spotlight.
Oh,
The water passes through the root hair. See, you can all see this thing over here, the small hair-like structure. What happens?
yes, ma'am.
The water passes through this to this pipe, like a tube-like thing. That is the root, and then it is transported to the different parts of the plant. Simple. So if I write the
Yes, ma'am.
functions of root hair. So what are we going to write? What does the root hair do? The water passes through the root hair to the tube in the root, which takes the water to the stem and then to the leaves. What will be the question? What is the function of root hair? Sorry, what is the function of root hair? Yes, ma'am. If you get a
Ma'am,
question, write the functions of root hair. What are you going to write? You'll be writing this. The water passes through the root hair.
The water passes through the root hair to the tube in the root, which takes the water to the stem and then to the leaves.
Perfect, perfect. Quickly moving ahead. I will be posting the paper pattern today. So just go through it in the Google Classroom, okay? The paper pattern, what all will come in your exam. Again, this is a simple one where you're just supposed to label the different parts of the plant. This is very simple. I will not invest in more time in this. This you all can do it. Okay. Two important function of roots. What are two important function of the roots? To keep the plant secure in the ground. And second is, what is second function?
Ma'am, we have to
ma'am,
tick
make
it.
food.
Yes, you have to tick it.
Done,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
make food.
Make food.
Does the
Get
root
water.
make-
No, ma'am.
No. Get water from the soil?
What, ma'am?
Ma'am, how will it get water from the soil?
Yes.
If roots don't do, then who will do?
Yes. Tick. Give the plant its color. It's false.
False. And get energy from the sun?
True.
Do
Done,
the
ma'am.
roots get it? Hina, do the roots get
What,
the
ma'am?
energy from the sun?
Oh, no, ma'am.
No. Simple?
Ma'am, acha. It is telling
Only about the root.
the
See,
root.
we all can just see this. Two things that the root do.
Okay.
Let me just underline this.
Two things the root do. Done, ma'am. I have also underlined it.
Okay, this is the experiment that we've already performed.
Ma'am, my plant changed into little bit red. Then it just died with black color.
Oh, happens because it did not get might be the enough water sunlight. That's fine. But then it changed little. Why? Because the roots have absorbed the water and transported to the through the stem. Okay.
Yes.
Some plants have root hairs.
No, false, ma'am.
Some plants have root root has. It is true. Some of them have,
Yes.
some of them do not have. Okay, what is
Yes.
the second one?
Ma'am, I thought every plant has.
No, some of them only has. Water is
Oh.
transported from the stem to the roots. True or false?
True.
False.
We are
False.
sleeping today.
False. It's false, ma'am.
Why is it false?
Because water is water from the stem.
No, it travels from the root to the
Yes.
stem.
Yes.
But what has been given here? It says from the stem to the root.
To the root. Yes. So it is false.
Did you all understand the question? Where does the water
Ma'am,
come?
can you do a little bit of work?
Sorry, beta.
Can you do a little bit of work?
Up.
Did you write that one? Write down the predictions.
No, beta. That is the experiment. That is not. That is not. We've already done the experiment. So we'll be just focusing on the facts today.
So, ma'am,
Can you write it? That one. Can you do a little bit of work?
ma'am, so the experiment it will not come in exam.
No, experiments will not come in the exam. You might get a true or false pertaining to it, but then not the entire experiment, definitely. We cannot investigate how water is transported through the stem. Can we investigate or we cannot investigate?
We cannot.
We can investigate. We investigated in this experiment now. We saw now how water is traveling through the stems.
Yes.
Yes, so the answer is false. Why is it false? Because we can investigate it. How did we investigate it? We all remember we took a plant and then we kept red color in it and then we saw the plant changing its color. Read the questions carefully. Plant needs water to grow. True or false?
Plant needs water to go. True.
Simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, healthy plant, unhealthy plant. Again, here is an important thing again. Hi, ma'am. Where are you going? I'm not going
Ma'am,
anywhere.
we didn't write these. These we didn't write. Only we have
We
done the
write, ma'am,
matching.
we write it, but in this PDF, it just erased.
Yes.
This we have not done. The
We have done.
matching we have done. The
We've
matching
not
we
an
have
answer.
done.
Okay, the stem is wilted, so it cannot dash the plant. What is the answer over here? If the stem is wilted,
Support.
very
Support
good. The answer
the
will
plant.
be support.
Support.
Ikra, quickly write the answers, beta. And the roots are dash. So
Pot.
it is difficult for the plant to take in. The roots are pot bound.
Pot bound.
What is
Now, what
pot
is
bound?
the page number?
Wait, I'll just tell you the page number. Give me a minute. Give me a second, beta.
Have we have written this?
Yes, we've done all this thing. We're just doing as a revision. Okay, I'll just tell you the page number quickly. It's 1239. 65.
Done.
Ma'am, in this what we have to.
In what, beta?
In middle one, ma'am. This one, this.
This one here. The answer is a little big. Pot bound. No.
Ma'am, in up one we have to write pot.
In up one, we have to write pot, and because the answer is too big, that's why they have given two lines.
Okay. And then what is them? Let me just quickly scroll. Is there something else that we can cover it today? Okay, what did we learn over here?
Done,
What
ma'am.
is the approximate width of the root?
What, ma'am? Oh, yes.
This one,
Wait, ma'am.
this one we have not done.
The height
This
of the
one.
tree is double than the width of the root.
Very good. The height of the tree is
Now what is the page number?
page number
67.
Ma'am, this
67.
one
Yes.
we have not done.
We've done everything, beta. You might have not attended the lecture. You might have not noted it
This
down.
one.
So what
This
did we
one,
learn
ma'am,
in
we
this
have
picture
not
is
done.
the height of the tree is double the width of the
Then
root.
the yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am attending these two. We have. Now, what is in that width of roots? We have
What
in
is
the
the answer
session,
of it?
ma'am.
So we
Can
will
you
just
write
write
The width of
again?
the root is 6 centimeters
This one,
and the
ma'am,
width
I
of
have
the height of
circled.
the
Can you write this and the
I will
Ma'am,
write.
can you write the weight of roots?
Yes, it's
Not
an
the height.
approximate 6 centimeter and the width of the root is approximate 3 centimeter. So what can we conclude? That the height of the tree is double the width of the
Double.
root. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
And in this we learn that the temperature should, what do we learn from this? The temperature, some plants survive in hot climate, some plants survive in cold climate.
Ma'am, some plants survive in hot climate like cactus.
Yes, very good, perfect. And then we are done with this chapter. So everybody will now study. We have a
First
4
one
day.
answer is root, second one answer is plant will dry up and die. The third one is stem.
Yes, you all have written this. Now again we have a video for your reference. So everybody will be studying hard. I'll be sharing the exam format in the Google Classroom. And in case you have any doubt, you can always ask me on WhatsApp. Okay, beta?
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
mame.
Chalo, ending my lecture over here. All the
Bye.
best for your coming
Bye,
exam.
ma'am.
Have a nice
Study
day.
hard.
Ma'am, just
Bye.
we are left just with 4 days, I think.
Yes. Okay, chalo. Have a great day ahead. Bye.
You too. Bye.